road man, a load man, 18 wheels and a serious plan. Ain't nothing gonna go getting out of hand while I'm behind the wheel. I'm on fire and I'm wired, full of diesel and ready for hire. Well, I'm building a rolling empire of blood, sweat, and steel. I don't waste time, I make time, tearing a strip off the white line. I'm a professional man, I'm a one of a kind, and I know how to bring it in. I got a clean slate in 5 states, and 29 that ain't so great, and 14 that'll have to wait, and 2 I've never been. I'm a road hammer, a white knuckle steel kid jammer, a rig jockey, highway slammer. I'm just doing what I gotta do. I'm a road hammer, a double talking, see big grammar, haul your load from Alabama all the way to Timbuktu. I've loved the left coast, the west coast, California sun where they're chillin' the most. I followed 309 and Teddy Bear's ghost all the way to New Orleans. I've been from Thunder Bay to PA, all the way down to FLA, and every little town along the way. There ain't much that I haven't seen. I'm a road hammer, a white knuckle steel kid jammer, a rig jockey, highway slammer. I'm just doing what I gotta do. I'm a road hammer, a double talking, see big grammar, haul your load from Alabama all the way to Timbuktu. Another day, another town, diesel up and hammer down. Yeah. I got a pimped ride, a pretty bride, 4 little babies and my hound reside back in the hills on the mountainside, just south of the river bend. I got my cell phone, she's on roll, sweet little thing wants to get it on. She says I left something turned on at home. She can't wait till I'm back again. I'm a road hammer, white knuckle steel kid jammer, a rig jockey, highway slammer. I'm just doing what I gotta do. I'm a road hammer, a double talking, see big grammar, all your load from Alabama all the way to Timbuktu. I'm a road hammer, a white knuckle steel kid jammer, a rig jockey, highway slammer. I'm just doing what I gotta do. I'm a road hammer, double talking, see big grammar, all your load from Alabama all the way to Timbuktu.
feel like messing with y'all.